Hey Camso community, welcome to our In the Shop video series. Today we're demonstrating how to inspect and maintain the hub bearings on your Camso track system. You want to keep an eye on the hub, which is the heart of the track system. A hub that's in good shape will translate into a long-lasting track system with great performance. So let's dive right in and look at how to do this. Today we're demonstrating on a 2024 Honda Rubicon TRX 520 Deluxe ATV equipped with a Camso X4S track system. To keep the video short, we'll just demonstrate on the right front track system, but the process is essentially the same for all four tracks. Here's what you'll need: tack puller screwdriver, wrench kit, impact electric wrench, crowbar, clean cloth, small piece of wood, hammer, grease, torque wrench, oil syringe, oil SAE 80W90. The first signs of hub defects are external, such as vibrations or abnormal play that make the system unstable while riding. Those obvious signs won't lie, and you'll need to go deep into hub bearings inspection and maintenance.
Hub bearings maintenance is quite a job, so be sure your track system needs it before exposing components that will inevitably need to be replaced with new ones.
Start by removing the track and system from the vehicle. If you need, all these steps are explained in our video, Wheels and Bearings Maintenance. Once it's done, take off the blue Camso cap with a tack puller screwdriver and use an impact electric wrench to unassemble the hub bolt. Then pull out the sprocket and hub assembly. Get some dry cloths ready and lay down the system on the ground. This will help managing the oil that is pouring out from the hub. The system can now be repositioned standing up. Now you can visually inspect the bearings for any signs of rust, visible defects, or wear. Here's what a worn bearing needing replacement looks like versus a new one. You can get replacement bearings from the Camso Original Parts website or from your Camso dealer. To maintain your hub bearings, start by removing the hub seals with a crowbar. Keep in mind that once you take the seals off, you have to replace them with new ones. They can't be reused. Then wipe off the old lubricant with a clean, dry cloth. If the hub bearings are still in good condition, simply put them back and ensure to have new hub seals handy. You want the seals to be seated flush with the hub external faces. This can be done using a hammer and a small piece of wood. Then apply grease evenly over the entire circumference. For the Camso X4S track system that we're demonstrating on here, you'll need 1.5 to 2 cc's of grease. Here's what 2 cc's look like to give you a better idea of the amount we're talking about. Your owner's manual will tell you the exact amount of lubricant to add for your particular Camso track system model. Note that such as the hub seals, the hub bolt can't be reused, so use a new hub bolt kit to complete maintenance. Make sure it has the right torque, in applying 125 Newton meters on all systems. Then snap the blue Camso cap back on. Next, remove the yellow cap on the top of the hub housing and pour oil through the hole by using a syringe, which will make it a lot easier. For the Camso X4S, you need 25 cc's of oil SAE 80W90, but the amount can vary from one track system model to another. Then screw the yellow cap back. And now you're ready to reinstall your track system on your vehicle. If you need help for this, go watch our Wheels and Bearings Maintenance video, which has the complete steps. And that's all there is to maintaining your hub bearings. So don't forget to be aware of your unusual system's vibration to make sure your hub and hub bearings are in good condition. Enjoy your ride out there.